শর্ট কনভারসেশন পার্ট 1। এই কনভারসেশনগুলো কয়েকবার শুনলে ইংলিশে বলার দক্ষতা বাড়বে।
Exercise 1. Asking questions and giving their answers.
এখানে কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ড হোয়াট ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে।
My name isn't Anup.
What's your name?
My name is Ayan. It isn't my phone number.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 867088664. English isn't my subject.
What's your subject?
My subject is Sanskrit. Cricket isn't my favorite game.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football. My blood group isn't O positive.
What's your blood group?
My blood group is B positive. My father isn't a businessman.
What's your father?
My father is a barber. My mom isn't expert at cooking.
What's your mother expert at?
My mom is expert at worshipping. She is a devotee of Krishna. I am not allergic to dust.
What are you allergic to?
I am allergic to brinjal. I am not interested in journalism.
What are you interested in?
I am interested in football. I want to be a football player. His profession isn't electrician.
What's his profession?
His profession is teaching.
Exercise 2. Asking questions and giving their answers.
এখানে কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ড হোয়াট প্লাস নাউন ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে।
It is a grammar book.
What book is it?
It is practical English uses. It is an American animal.
What animal is it?
It is armadillo. It isn't Teflon cloth.
What cloth is it?
It is 100% cotton cloth. It is a cough syrup.
What cough syrup is it?
It is ascorial. It is my mother's phone.
What phone is it?
It is Samsung Galaxy A10. It is an English newspaper.
What newspaper is it?
It is the Statesman. It is the fastest train of India.
What train is it?
It is Amritsar Express. It is the longest bridge of India.
What bridge is it?
Bhuban Hazarika Bridge. It is 9.15 km long. This medicine is prescribed to treat anxiety.
What medicine is it?
It is Valium. This fruit controls blood pressure.
What fruit is it?
It is gooseberry.
Edited by Arpan Das. Thank you for watching this video.